welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Mr. Zaman, and today I'm going to talk about walkable neighborhoods can lead to decreased cardiovascular risk. Neighborhood walkability, a measure of how easy and safe it is to walk to reach resources for daily living, such as a grocery store, pharmacy, school, work, and church, is associated with lower cardiovascular disease burden and risk, according to two preliminary studies to be presented at the American Heart Association's Scientific Sessions 2022. Cardiovascular disease is the number one cause of death in the US and globally, according to the American Heart Association's Heart Disease and Stroke Statistics 2022 update. A key component for achieving optimal cardiovascular health and reducing cardiovascular risk is physical ability. In a nationwide study, more than 70,000 US census tracts were analyzed to explore the potential association among neighborhood-level walkability and cardiovascular disease risk factors. Motirek and colleagues reviewed the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's PLACES dataset, which is a dataset that tracks the prevalence in the US of coronary artery disease and cardiovascular risk factors such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, obesity, and type 2 diabetes by census tract. Researchers matched the health information from the PLACES database with data from a census tract walkability index from the Environmental Protection Agency's Smart Location database to categorize census tracts into four levels of walkability, from the least walkable to the most walkable. The analysis found that cardiovascular disease prevalence was notably lower at 5.4% in the most walkable neighborhoods compared to 7% in the least walkable neighborhoods. About 36% of adults living in the least walkable neighborhoods had high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or obesity, compared to about 30% in the most walkable neighborhoods. Type 2 diabetes prevalence was 11.6% in the least walkable neighborhoods compared to 10.6% in the most walkable neighborhoods. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.